Aragappa College of Technology, AC Tech, Anna University, celebrating 75 years of excellence. The college offers more scholarship for the UG and PG students, say community scholarship for the students, annual parental income below 2 lakhs, hostel loan scholarship for students in AC Tech hostel, annual parental income below 2 lakhs, and GATE stipend, eligible for GATE qualified admitted student stipend through AICET portal, first graduate concession, NSP scholarship, and alumni trust scholarship, Anna award for the students selected from backward and minorities welfare office by considering their 12th marks, CM award, Bank of Tokyo Mitsubishi BTM award, and Student Welfare Endowment Award for all OC, BC, MBC, SC, and ST whose parental income is less than 1 lakh, and Dr. MGR and Tiruquid E. Millet Endowment Award for all OC, BC, MBC, ST students whose parental income below 2 lakhs. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at ACT Anna University are Petroleum Engineering and Technology, Industrial Biotechnology, Pharmaceutical Technology, Chemical Engineering, Textile Technology, Ceramic Technology, Leather Technology, Apparel Technology, and Food Technology. The cutoff marks for AC Tech for various casts for various departments are: for OC it is 189 to 197, for BCM it is 183 to 195, for BC it is 187 to 196, for MBC it is 184 to 192, for SC it is 166 to 182. The facilities at AC Tech Health Center. Health Center provides medical facility to all the students and staff of the university. This center is providing healthcare services for about 15,000 students, research scholar 1,300 students, and 11,000 staff and their families. It provides specialty consultancies in ophthalmic, skin, diabetic, gynec, and ENT, pediatrics, and ortho to all students or staff once a week at the main campus. Physiotherapy clinic is functioning from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in main campus. About 200 patients visit the health center every day for the treatment. Sports Board. Anna University Sports Board ensuring the smooth and efficient conduct of zonal, interzonal tournaments involving all institutions under Anna University. It encourages sportsmanship and healthy competitions among the colleges involved. All the institutions, constituent, government aided, self financing under Anna University are divided into 19 zones, each zone involving around 25 to 30 colleges, and every zone has zonal sports coordinator responsible for the sport activities of the zone. And the other facilities at ACT are hostel facility for both boys and girls, and the mess type is non-vegetarian, and no transport facilities provided by the college, and auditorium, canteen, library, and culturals. The placement statistics for the year 2019-20 for ACT. Apparel technology, 4 students were selected. In ceramics, 7. Chemical engineering, 29. Food technology, 2. Industrial biotechnology, 11. Petroleum engineering and technology, 6. Pharmaceutical technology, 12. And in textile technology, 5. So the total number of students selected is 76. And the major recruiters are Caterpillar, Carrot Lane Trading, ATC Tires, Aspire Systems, Amazon, Analog Devices India, CEAT, CDM Smith Global Services, Kronos Software, ESCO, F5 Networks Innovation, Federal Bank, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, Fidelity Investments, FIS, Ford Motor, Hyundai, Hubstream, Indian Oil Corporation, L&T Infotech, Mr. Cooper, Microsoft, Ninjacart, Myntra, Murugappa Group, Multicore, MRF Limited, Renault Dozen, Reliance Industries, Ramco Systems, Torrent Gas, Toleram Group, Titan India, Visa Inc., Valued Epistemics, Thermax Limited, Technip, Systinc, Spell Security, Zoho Corporation, Zoom RX Healthcare Technology, Wipro Water Technology, Wood PLC, ZS Associates India, Optum, Oracle, Microsoft, L&T, Latent View Analytics, Magnum Clothing, Mad Street Den Technologies, and many more. The college counseling code is 2 for ACTIC. The contact number is 04422359100. The website is www.annauniv.edu/ACT. The college is located at Sardar Patel Road, Gindi, Chennai 600025. And the mail ID is actechau@gmail.com.